Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Roblox Error Code 773 PC. Chapter 1. How to fix Roblox Error Code 773 PC changing DNS. To start, in the search box, enter Network. Select View Network Connections. After, right-click on your network adapter and select Properties. In this window, select the Internet Protocol version 4 line. Choose Properties. Now check the box. Use the following DNS server addresses. Enter a public address. Click OK and close this window. Chapter 2. How to fix Roblox Error Code 773 PC from terminal. To start, in the search box, enter CMD. Click and Run as administrator and click on Yes to open the terminal. After this, free the DNS cache, run the command ipconfig/flush DNS, press Enter. After, reset the WinSock catalog, run netch winsock reset. The next step, reboot the system to apply the changes. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 3. How to fix Roblox Error Code 773 PC deleting temps. To begin, in the search box, enter %temp%. Click on File folder. Now select all the files and click Delete. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.